All right, Rob Frazier here with my copy of the Secrets Trilogy. There's actually 4 books in here. 4 books in the trilogy, and Russell Brunson talks about that. But basically, .com secrets, expert secrets, traffic secrets, and unlock the secrets. Basically, .com secrets is the framework. Expert secrets, he calls it the fire, but I recommend everyone starting here. If you're in network marketing, affiliate marketing, make money online, anything along that area, expert secrets is for you and will help you. And then obviously traffic. If you ask me honestly, I read these books in order, everything except this one, because this one just recently came out. I started at .com secrets, then went to expert secrets. It was way over my head when I first read it. However, these books have everything you need to be a successful internet, network, affiliate, whatever sort of marketer you want to be. It's designed for you to go through these 3 books, and then by the time you go through them, this book is designed to, as you're going through these 3 books, you go through here and basically fill out this whole book. It's just basically like a workbook. And by the time you get done, you'll have your own profitable sales funnels online, not just sales funnel. So he calls .com secrets the framework, expert secrets he calls the fire, traffic secrets is the fuel, unlock the secrets is basically the playbook. If you are working a network marketing business, you are affiliate marketing biz op with that has a replicated marketing system attached to it. If you had joined me in Power Lead System, you're using any one of the share codes to, or the share. I want to call them share funnels. ClickFunnels has share funnels, and Power Lead System has share codes. Basically, if you're doing anything like that online, promoting any sort of business online, I highly recommend getting this trilogy. And if you can't, I would start with expert secrets, and then traffic secrets, and then .com secrets. That's my own personal opinion, although .com secrets was written first, but most of the businesses out there already have the structure, the framework in place that .com secrets have. So if you're watching this, if you're coming through the expert secrets or the traffic secrets link, one of the upsells is getting this whole trilogy. Get it and reach out to me. Or if you just buy expert secrets or traffic secrets, reach out to me. I will help you make this work. Rob Frazier here. Links are in the description of this video. See you in the next one.